up later.
Yeah, we need to clean up later, bonehead.
Alright, bonehead.
Rip it open.
What is that?
Jesse, a bullseye bug!
Whoa!
Whoa!
What's that?
Look at Mommy smile.
Cheese!
Let me see what you got. Hold it.
Hold it out.
Cheese! What? What the heck?
You like that?
Yeah, I thought it. He dropped it off for me.
How you thought?
What the?
You need to stop thinking.
Yeah, I saw it. What the heck is that?
Let's see what this is.
Yeah, we'll see what this is. Ooh. Let's see what. What the?
It's an elephant game.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh, Shimon. Oh, Shimon. Do it up with another.
Yeah, pick whatever you want.
Help me.
It's a lot of presents for one little fat man.
Rip, rip.
Rip right here.
It's a video. What the?
Is that the Spider-Man movie?
No, that's a Spider-Man game, huh?
No, it's a movie.
Yeah, it's a movie.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Pick something else. Awesome. Turn around. Face mommy. So you can see.
Do it this and do it with that. Here, weapon. I thought I wanted that.
Gordon got that for you. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here, hold it up so I can see what it is.
Cheese.
You gotta turn it the other way, silly.
Now you can learn how to make me and pop-ups and dentures.
Ready here? You can make pop-up and Gordon teeth. Whoa.
Let's do this.
Turn around. Good.
Let's see what this is. Is it another one?
What?
What?
It's called Ants in My Pants.